How are things going for everyone? We're going to talk about a coin. That is an attempt to connect regular money and cryptocurrency. This project is getting more interest from more and more people these days. This is where I can show it to you. Crypto Rover just reported that the launch of Rec Finance is coming up in a few hours. It's live at the time of this video. With their cutting-edge DeFi ecosystem, you can get a lot of different financial tools, from debit cards to peer-to-peer lending. They'll take care of you. You can catch them on the best markets. This is really cool. It was likely one of the biggest starts because they did it on so many exchanges at once. It includes Uniswap, Mexi, Bitmart, LBank, Coino, Digifinex, Bitrue, and the P2 billion and B2 billion exchange. That's a lot of power and big names. They also raised $32 million not long ago. I want to talk about this, find out what they're all about, and make it clear what they're doing here. If it's okay with you, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon below the video. There is also a link below the movie if you want to trade cryptocurrencies. I just made a pretty big deal that was also pretty risky. If you're interested, you can click on the links below the video. There is no Know Your Customer KYC over there now. Retic is a sponsor of the station Retic Finance, and I want to talk about them because, as I said, they have a huge raise. They've gone live on a number of exchanges. I think we should talk about them a bit more. The message is to move forward with Retic Finance. Retic Finance comes up with new ideas for DeFi and its smart crypto payment gateway, AI-powered peer-to-peer loans, and multi-chain non-custodial, a very safe DeFi wallet that wants to change the way global transfers are done. They're already on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and DEX tools, so, to be honest, they really did a great job with this launch. Before they even started, they had a lot of moving parts. But let's look at what seems to be their main product, Retic DeFi debit cards. To make banking services more accessible and safe, offer anonymous transactions without the need for Know Your Customer KYC, and put user privacy first. This is interesting. You don't need a KYC at a lot of the exchanges I work with either, because some people don't want their names to be linked to different acts or how much crypto they have. They might also not want people to know exactly what they're buying. I used to work at a bank, so I know that people do look at your transactions to learn more about you. They may be able to offer you something of value, but the banks you deal with are likely keeping an eye on all of your transactions. Yes, this is what takes place. Though it might be a little different with debit cards vs. credit cards, it's still important to keep this in mind. There are many good things about DeFi debit cards, such as privacy. So daily transactions without knowing your identity KYC are private and easy to do, whether you're shopping or eating out. This makes global accessibility a reality. They can be used around the world. Transactions are quick and safe, making the whole payment process better whether you're in a local store or going abroad. Access to ATMs, so you can get cash from any location in the world. Security, so you can make trades anonymously and keep your money safe, and Retic's non-custodial DeFi wallet. Okay, that's cool. You can do business anonymously and keep your money. It sounds like you can actually take money out of your wallet with a debit card. With the rewards program, you can win rewards every time you use your card, which we'll talk about next. Something I'd really love is to see a few more facts about this. It could be in their white paper. Some extra information would be nice, like, okay, you can withdraw cash anywhere in the world, but what kind of fees are there? Maybe it's in the white paper. This is something I'd love to see on the front page because I think a lot of people would be interested in it. That information is in a lot of banks. But then they go into a little more detail about their award and tier system. So get rewards with retakes that have never been seen before. DeFi debit cards are a symbol of freedom with money in our tier system. Each purchase adds up to silver, gold, or diamond. Provides fuel for your journey by giving you more cashback perks. That's 2% cashback for silver, 3% cashback for gold, and 5% cashback for diamond. That's great. As you go from $10 to $99, the cards cost more. Now, they also talk about their retake environment in more detail, so they give you some information about their bank cards, which is something we've already talked about. If you have an online business, you can easily accept cryptocurrencies as a payment method, giving your customers more ways to pay. Okay, that's pretty cool. The DeFi wallet is the non-custodial wallet that works with various blockchains. They have a swap aggregator that makes it easy to find the best rates by instantly comparing quotes and fees across different decentralized exchanges, DEX or P2P lending that is driven by AI on DEX. Okay, now that they're getting more into the DeFi landscape, let our powerful AI look at your lending choices and make sure you get the best and most profitable one. That means you can also get loans, long-term futures, and options. You can do long and short-term calls and puts right from your Retake app, which makes your shopping easier. Real-world crypto usage, as well as making trading across different assets easier, they go into. First, they talk about how they want to connect crypto in real life. Then, they talk about their tokenomics, which you can read on their website. I'm not going to talk about that for too long. They also give their office address and token sign. That's a retake, which is easy to remember. Then they say that they have a cert tech check and tell you where to buy the retake token. Again, they went live on a lot of different markets. This is their address. All eyes are on the Redo. You can also find out a little more about them. You can follow them on Twitter, which I think is the first step. Then, if you want, you can join their giveaway to enter to win a huge 333K repeat finance giveaway. You can perform all the tasks required for your chance to win the grand prize. You can follow it on their website if you'd like. Right now, the token has been moving up and down a lot. This is as of Monday and Tuesday. I'm sorry, it's been moving around a lot since they started it. So when it first started, it went up to $2.68, then went all the way down to 82 cents. Now, it's almost 100% higher than it was. So when cryptos first come out, there's a lot of instability and prices often go through the roof. But by the time CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko show them, they've dropped back down. They're coming down, but it's already going well. It will take a little while for the CoinMarketCap page to fully match the market cap, and a moving stock and other things like that take some time. But you can see the fully diluted market cap right here. Volume and volatility have gone from 1.4 billion to 1.64 billion, which are huge jumps. If you want to learn more about it, you can click on the links below the video. Thanks to Retake Finance for hosting today's video. What do you think about this? Tell me below, and I'll see you in the next.